Hello, everyone. My name is Wes Kogi, and today I will be walking you guys through one of the most highly recommended HRIS management systems, and I will be walking you guys through a quick little training session today. The recommended the recommended system that I will be walking through today is called Zenefits, as you can see. Zenefits is one of the top used management systems in the US today, almost number one, I believe. Zenefits streamlines your workflow by automatically connecting three major aspects such as benefits, payroll, and scheduling together in one platform. This makes it so much easier to access everything HR for your company. This means also that less time is spent on low priority tasks so your team can focus on more important things. I will be going through the benefits section of the program today. So you can see right now I'm in their demo center. So we will go ahead and click on, here are the three aspects, HR, payroll, benefits. Today we are going to be going through benefits. So I'll just go take a quick tour to play around with it. So as you can see, I have created my own company, and it's going to load again. So I've created my own company, Starlight Productions, which is basically a fitness center. So we are going to be messing around with this today. So here just pops up with a little bit of your employees, their profile pictures, and their names. So the first aspect, well, first of all, as you can see, there are all kinds of applications to the system that help in many ways, but since we only have a shorter period of time, I will only be covering two aspects of the benefits section that we are currently in to the system. The first aspect I will be sharing with you guys is the global directory that Zenefit creates for your company. As you can see, the system provides a complete list of employees that work for your company. So here's the list that pops up. And the nice thing about this, it comes with the option to use filters on the sheet as well, such as seeing which employees are part-time or full-time, what their status with the company is, their location, if your company has more than one, and which department they belong to. So as you can see, we can filter out and see if an employee is an intern, which we only have one right now. And you can see who's full-time, you can see who's part-time. So it's kind of nice, it filters out and creates all that available for you. And then you can also create a calendar feed that all of the employees will share. I'm not going to do this because it will take too long, but you can see specific dates that you want to include, any important ones that you want everyone in the company to be aware of, that you could have them all share one calendar in one place, and it just makes it so much easier for everybody. The best part of the directory aspect is definitely the org chart graphic. The system creates an org chart for your organization and shows who reports to who. So you can see me being at the top, the CEO, and it shows who all reports to me. And if I broke that down even further, I would see who reports to who. And as you can see, there's unassigned, so you can move it around and choose who reports to who, and you can change anything that you need to. So go ahead and cover the next aspect of the system. So we just go back to benefits. Pull up the main page. So the second and final aspect of Zenefits that I will be covering in this training session is the hiring aspect, or the hiring application, which is right here. I will be showing you guys how to hire a new employee from starting with their application and basic information that we input all the way out to sending out an offer letter. The position that we are hiring for is an intern. So we will go ahead and click on hiring. It'll load. So we simply, now you can see which offers we need to be finalized. So like Jennifer needs to be finished hiring. We've sent offers to her. We have new hiring and onboarding and I-9 verification. So it's really nice. It shows you everything that you need to complete all in one spot, so you can see which employees have not completed certain compliance trainings and things like that. So we're going to click add a team member because we are ready to expand the team. So Zenefits is nice because it creates a already populated employee from what they call their greenhouse. So we are going to go ahead and have our applicant be Donna Coleman, and we will put her email as donna.coleman@starlight.com. Just go ahead and confirm the email. All right, so next we will move on to job details. All right, so she is going to be an employee, and we are looking for an intern, so we are going to select intern because she will be participating in our intern training program. So her job title is going to be sales intern. She will be joining our sales team. She will be at our San Francisco location. So we would like to have her hired right when she's done with school. So we're going to shoot for the 11th, the week after school's finished for her. She's going to be joining our fitness training department under sales workers. Her reporting manager is going to be James Black. All right, so after we got all that set up, we can move on to offer details now that we have the position created. So I would always like to include an offer letter because it seems much more professional and more personable, and they like receiving something that seems like we care about them. So there's all kinds of different forms, so we're going to just use the sales offer letter because she will be a sales intern. She will be receiving a employee handbook. So we offer to hire her on the 11th. So we would like to, it'll give her about a week to accept the offer. Since she's just an intern, she will not be working full-time with us. We'll put that she will be working 25 to 30 hours a week. Or it won't let me, so we will just do 25. She will be hourly, and we'll pay her $16.50 an hour. And we will make her exempt because we do not want her to be eligible for overtime pay. Actually, you know what? We are going to be not exempt because she would have to be salary to be considered exempt, which she is not. So we don't have to worry about her working overtime anyway because she was only going to be doing 25 hours a week. So for her clocking in, we have an iPad right on site that she will clock in and out. So she has informed me that she would only like to do this as a summer internship. So we will go in, and her school ends the 21st, she says. So we will go ahead. Sorry, her school starts the 24th. So we are going to go ahead and put her last day as the 21st so she can have the weekend. we will let her take time off, just follow the standard policy. We will move on to payroll settings. And the nice thing about payroll for Zenefits is that we are already using their automatic payroll, so it's already taken care of. It'll do that automatically. All right, so for now we move on to health benefits. We're going to go ahead and give Donna medical, but since she's just an intern still, we're not going to give her dental or vision. Wait for this to load. All right, so for this, we're going to request proof of eligibility documents such as the I-9 form, such as Social Security card and driver's license, and or just passport. So now we can assign which integrated apps we want her to have access to. So we will go ahead and get rid of Guideline, Expensify, Lattice, and Carta. We are going to give her access to a Google Suite, sync their work email, and we're going to give her access to Salesforce. So we're going to put her as the Salesforce platform, a standard user, and she will be a trainer. Her desired alias for G Suite is going to be donna.coleman@zenefitsdemo.com. So we're going to go ahead and move on into overview. All right, so now it's going to let us review Donna's offer letter. So as you can see, it has created one already. So on behalf of our company, we offer you employment as a sales intern starting on May 11th, 2020. In that position, you report to James Black. We offer her stock options, tell her she'll be working 25 hours a week. She will not be eligible for overtime pay. Any other things that need to be said for her review, they're all right there. So that all looks good. So we can finish and send the offer letter. Go ahead and finalize that. So now we can either choose to send the offer letter later using a separate link, or we can just send it now via email. So we want to hire her right away. So we're going to go ahead and just send her an email right now. All right. And then, so what you can do is we can go back to directory, and it'll take a little bit for her to receive her offer letter and be hired, but actually it's popped up. So you can see she is now in our directory as intern, not registered for sales intern, and we can actually go back into hiring here. Get rid of that. Just wait for this to load. And if we go back into hiring, we can see that we have the option, if it loads, we have the option to add another team member, and we can also, the offers to be finalized, Donna pops up, so we can just confirm everything. Let's go ahead and copy and paste that. And we can just go straight to invitation and finish. So then we can go in there and we can access all the things that she needs, and we can finish her stuff up. And then once she has accepted her offer, we can finalize the hiring process and get her started on in-house trainings for her first day as our new sales intern. And so that is it, you guys. Thanks for listening, and I hope you learned a lot about Zenefits.